clicked on this video, you're probably interested in learning how to tune Holley EFI. The primary purpose of this video is to save you some money while doing so.
Nice.
So it's the Black Friday time of year. I wanted to let you guys know of an opportunity to save a few dollars. You may have noticed in the last however many videos I've posted that I've included some sort of a reference to my new Holley EFI online training course. So if you feel like you're getting beat up and abused trying to learn the Holley software and just want to smash your computer out of frustration, this might be the solution that you're looking for. Called Tune the Trilogy, where I teach you how to use all three of Holley's software packages for the Sniper, the Terminator X, and the HP and Dominator ECUs. Now this course is pretty new, and up to this point I've had a 50% off pre-release sale going on, which a lot of people have jumped on, and we've gotten a ton of great feedback from it.
I like it a lot.
Now we are about to end the 50% off pre-release sale. Black Friday, we are going to be adding an additional 10% to that. So now we are going to be at a 60% discount. So not only is this the cheapest that it's ever going to be, but the normal price will no longer be 50% off after the sale. So if you have any interest in learning how to tune your Holley EFI system, this is the time to get in and save yourself some money.
It's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
You have access to all of the current content along with all of the future content moving forward. I believe there's currently 75, 80 videos, something like that. Bruh. And I'm sure there's going to be well over 100 that are going to be added to this as well. On top of all the video content, you will also have access to our private Facebook group, along with discounts from several of our course sponsors that are all offering between 10 and 15% discount. So if you take advantage of those discounts, the course will ultimately end up being free. So you find that the video structure is laid out in a way that makes it very easy, direct to the point when you need to go back and re-watch something that maybe you couldn't remember the first go around. So you don't need to spend 22 hours searching YouTube and having to sit through 45-minute long videos in order to find 2 or 3 minutes of the information that you're actually looking for. I think that in itself is one of the strongest points of the course. The first link in the description will take you to the Black Friday discount page. You can check out using PayPal or credit card, and as soon as you check out, you will be sent an email and or a text message giving you your login credentials.
What's the password, baller? That's right. Make that bling sing.
Giving you instant access to the course. You can watch at your own pace, and you can watch each video as many times as you want, whenever you want.
I can show you how to be the boss.
If you'd like to learn more about the course, check out the video on the screen now where I go over the top 10 questions that I get asked over and over again about the course. Be sure to check out the comment section to hear from other members of the course. And this video is going to be taken down once Black Friday is over, so make sure you don't miss out.
Show you how to be the man.